Get ready, Jacksonville. It's time for the most epic event of the summer. Welcome to the Jacksonville Paintball Park Summer Slam, Saturday, June 8th. Come out and play Jelly Ball, ages 5 and up. Ever wanted to try paintball? Well, now's your chance. Just $5 for an unforgettable experience. 100 paintballs and rental equipment is included. Compete in the Airsoft shooting competition. If you win, you score a platinum membership. Bring your family and friends and challenge them to our obstacle course. Or play cornhole. Ooh, indulge in the mouth-watering treats from Roth Barbecue. Your taste buds will thank you. So mark your calendars for June 8th and join us at Jacksonville Paintball and Airsoft Park for the ultimate summer slam. Don't miss out on the fun, food, and fantastic memories.